everybody, how are you? Welcome back. It's been so long. आप लोग कैसे हो? What are you up to these days? Let me know in the comment section. I know it's been more than a month that I didn't post anything on the channel, but I promise to be regular at what I'm doing from now onwards. So yeah, before we proceed with today's video, a quick update. On Monday, you'll get to watch all my miscellaneous videos like product reviews, the shows, the movies that you should watch, the items that you must buy, and so on. On Wednesday, you'll get to see vlogs so that you can get to know more of me. And on Friday, I'll upload all the DIY videos. So this is how we are going to proceed from here. So yep, let's get started with today's video, which is about Color Shasta, a brand based out of Bangalore that makes amazing organic body care products. So these are the products that I'm going to review today. Ignore the box. So there are some that I have been using since 7-8 months, and there are a few products that I think I started using since September. So I'm going to tell you about each one of them that I have been using for my hair fall issue, for my acne issue. So yep, let's get started. So first one is this product, Gora. This is a face and body cleanser, and it's one of my favorites. I've been using it since 8 months. Unlike other face washes, this doesn't leave my skin dry. The T-zone and this mouth area used to be so dry. I don't know if you can relate to it, but pura wo white ho jata tha, and I have to like keep on applying moisturizer every time I wash my face. It just leaves it very soft. I really don't feel the need of a moisturizer, which is a plus point. And it has some amazing ingredients like saffron, pumpkin seeds, orange peel, rose petals, white turmeric. All the goodness is just there in it. And the usage, everything is given here. But what I usually do is either I use it with basin if I have to use it for my body, and you're good to go. But if I have to use it for my face, I simply take this powder with rose water, and this costed me $3.45 for 100 grams. It also comes in this form if you don't want to go for the tin one. This is also for 100 grams, but this will cost you $2.85. So this was my first buy, and uske baad se I have been purchasing this one because why not save some money. Then the second one is this one, Nalpamaradi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but this is a skin illuminating oil which is loaded with turmeric. So this is a 50 ml bottle which comes for $3.75. So this one has been lying on my shelf since months, but I think used it 4 or 5 times, and also my mother, she used it a couple of times. So it says that it's good for bridal skin glow, and if you want to remove dark patches, pigmentation, and if you really want to balance your skin tone, this oil is good. So did it work for me? So my take on this is very neutral, because it's not that it did anything bad for me, but also it didn't do anything good for me. I really didn't see that much of difference. Probably I need to use it more, but it doesn't leave your skin sticky. So if you want to try, give it a shot. The third one is this extra virgin coconut oil. This costed me $2.75 for 100 ml. So this is a very basic coconut oil, and the smell is mild, which is a good thing. If you didn't know, your virgin coconut oil shouldn't have a very strong coconut smell. It should have a very mild smell, which proves that this is a good quality virgin oil. Then the fourth one is this Kesa Vivikta. This is a dandruff treatment pack which worked for me like anything. If you are facing dandruff issue, give this one a shot. You just need to apply it as a pack. I mix normal water with this and just apply it on my hair and leave it for like 15-20 minutes and just wash it off. You don't have to use any shampoo after that. Just make sure that you clean your scalp very thoroughly with water, because initially when I started using it, it used to leave a lot of powder particles. So make sure that you read the instructions. But if you still need a better guidance, and if you're facing any issue or if you have any query, just go to their IG page and drop your questions there. Or also they have a number which I'm going to mention it somewhere here. So yeah, just go there and they will help you out. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I'm doing it because these guys are really doing a great job, and the products are really working. Even though it's a bit expensive, but it's totally worth it. So this one comes for $2.65 for 50 grams. It treats dandruff, hair fall, split ends, dry scalp, itchy scalp, and it makes your hair soft and silky. So yeah, as I said, you really don't need a shampoo afterwards. Don't use any chemicals after it because it will not work then. So make sure that you just use this pack and then leave it for a few minutes and then wash it off. Fifth one is this. Again, I love this one. This is pasta. If you have been facing acne issue and that has left a lot of marks on your face, you can try this one. It worked for me. I use it like once a week or once in 2 weeks whenever time permits, and also it's a bit expensive. Like for 25 grams it will cost $7.25. The instruction is given that you can use it with honey or rose water. I prefer using rose water. So I mix it well and then just apply on the spots because you don't want to waste this one. And wherever you have issues, just apply it there and leave it for 25-30 minutes and then just wash it off with normal water. And the sixth one is Kesa Anugraha. Now this is a traditional hair wash. So I stopped using shampoo, not completely, but yes, I have decreased the usage and I have been using this one. Did it help me to reduce hair fall? I would say 70 to 80% because क्या खा रहे हो वो भी matter करता है, and I eat a lot of junk because I feel यार एक ही लाइफ है. You should enjoy, you should eat whatever you want. So just because there's a pimple popping out and you feel conscious about it, don't stop eating, man. Like, just don't. So this comes for $3.75 for 100 grams, and there's a lot of good ingredients like turmeric, tulsi, neem, lemon, and so on. Usage is given here, so you just have to follow the instructions, and yeah, make sure you don't use shampoo. So that's the mistake I did when I used it for the first and the second time, because the particles used to get stuck and it was just impossible to take it out. So make sure that you mix it well with water and then you apply it on your hair. Then we have this one, Ragin, which is a beetroot face pack. Now this is a very good one. I use it with basin and rose water. Again, just once a week or once in 2 weeks, and you will see a difference. You won't need a moisturizer after that. So whenever you feel there's a lot of dirt on your face and you need some pampering, just use this face pack, and you really don't need to go to any parlor or get any facial. This is it. This is it for you. This is for $2.95 for 50 grams. So let me show you. It smells meetha. So just apply the face pack, leave it for 15-20 minutes and wash it off with normal water. Then the last one is this one, which is Nirvaira. This is acne treatment pack. So I used it for like what, 8-9 times, but I couldn't see any difference. So this comes for $4.35 for 50 grams, and this one is a bit expensive that I showed you, but I think this one worked for me better than this one. So if you ask me what worked better for me, I think this one for my face, and then the Ragin face pack. Coconut oil, Gora, and that Kesha Vivekta for dandruff. So yeah, these are my favorites from Kalya Shastra, and I totally recommend you to use these products because they don't have any chemical in it. So let me know if you are planning to give it a shot to these products. Share your experiences and let me know in the comment section. So that is it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon. See you on my next video. Bye.
Won't you take me home?